Okay, hey guys. This is a quick tutorial on how to use the app NoteRush and specifically how to program in your notes for NoteRush. So NoteRush should look like this guy right here. It's a little yellow icon with a note on it, and it is a paid app, but I think it's only $4 or $5, and in my opinion, it's really well worth the money if you are looking to work on specifically playing your notes. So if you click on the app, basically to pull up this app, and really what we're looking for is you click this, the bottom left-hand corner, the little pencil. You click on it, and you're going to go to Level Designer. All these other things, starter, part staff, all that kind of stuff, these are all things that you can practice as you've already learned. But when you're first trying to learn the notes, you're going to want to be on Level Designer. And this is where you can choose any and all of the notes. You have to have at least three. But for example, the first three notes in the primer book are a F on the bass clef staff, a C on the treble clef staff, and a G on the treble clef staff. And even if you don't know specifically the notes, you are able to just kind of look at the book and see exactly where they are on the staff and go through that. Once you've done that, you can actually click on this where it says repeats, and you can change that to however you want. I like to have it on 3 repeats each down there at the bottom left, and then you're going to hit check. Once you do that, you are going to hit the play button, and you're going to get this screen where it says play your middle C. So you got to make sure you play the right middle C. It'll hear that. And then so when you're on the screen now, as you can see, it wants the F. So if you play the F, it'll hear it. Then it wants the C, and now it wants an F. Now if I play the wrong note, it'll give me an X and it'll add seconds on. So if you finish through that, play the notes. And so as you can see, I got 1 star because I missed some notes, and then you can hit the refresh button and try that again and see if you can do better, try to get to 3 stars, or you can go back to home, go back to the pencil and to Level Designer, and you can add notes based on, basically you want to add notes based on what notes are in the songs they're working on, or especially what the new notes are that they're doing. So hopefully that all makes sense. Hopefully that is helpful. I hope you'll have a great day, and we'll see you next time.